Fitness Choice. I'm Jen.
And I'm Dayan.
We have invited a special guest for today to join us and to tell us more about fitness, to give us more tips, and hopefully motivate us more on our fitness journeys.
Yes, guys, I'm so excited to introduce to you today's very special guest. She is a fitness coach and a brand ambassador for Gold's Gym Philippines and has actually won first runner-up for BodyCon 4.0 2019 Stack Division. And what's more, guys, she is a certified personal trainer and a health coach professional. She has been practicing for almost 8 years now. Without further ado, guys, let's welcome Coach Renee Anya. Hi. Hi.
Welcome to Navigator Sports.
Yes, Coach. I'm so curious ang haba ng listahan ng mga achievements niya. Narinig niyo ba yun, guys? Ayun sila, oh. But I'm most curious about being aside from being a certified personal trainer, you're also a health coach professional. Can you expand kung ano yung health coach professional?
Yes, ang health coach professional, we are licensed physiotherapists. So we handle special population clients with disability and limitation like may mga ACL injury, frozen shoulder, or hypertension. So we customize their program para hindi ma-further injuries.
This is telling me is yung clientele mo, no, very wide range. Hindi lang like mga healthy body individuals like we normally expect, but also those with some physical, maybe physiological conditions, but you can work around that. So guys, walang excuse, diba? Pwede talaga natin.
That's what I picked up from that. No excuses, guys. You heard that from Coach Renee herself. No excuses.
That's why right now I'm so curious, no? Nasa lockdown tayo. Paano kaya yung coach nag-accept pa rin ng mga clients?
So during this time of pandemic, in-emphasize ko na kailangan i-prioritize natin yung health. So, to meet the challenge of serving my client during this quarantine, I upgraded my business system, which is I created an online coaching program. So we could some clients could still reach their fitness goal at the comfort of home. Para ma-prevent din yung pag-spread ng virus and syempre to be safe, yun na yung pinaka number one priority.
Curious lang ako, Coach, no? Kasi it's easier when you're at the gym talaga. So, di ba, when you're working with your client, you can motivate them right there and then. So, paano yun during your online sessions? How do you keep them motivated? How do you keep them engaged?
The key lang naman to keep them motivated and engaged, dapat when you set a goal, dapat with client, hindi goal mo sa client. And then, we have short-term goal, long-term goal, and yung aming weekly goal. So, nagbibigay ako ng mga tasks, and then pag na-achieve nila, they saw a result, they feel more motivated and engaged, and I give positive feedback. Nasa-track na namin, bumabalik sila sa proper engaged sa training.
Kailangan doon.
Positive reinforcement is really crucial, lalo na in this time na we're challenged to stay positive and stay, coping. We're all coping in this time of pandemic.
So, di ba lalo na ngayon kasi with the ongoing pandemic and all, marami akong nababasa ng mga articles na parang medyo targeted yung mental health ng nating lahat. I feel like I can speak for everybody naman na, di ba? It really affects your mental health. So, how do you deal with that? Personally and with your clients?
Included sa online training ko, we have daily communication para na nagpe-prepare ko din yung mindset nila para sa transformation nila. And we also track their activity daily para na-motivate sila and na-engage sila sa training namin. And if mayroon setback na nangyayari with my client, I call a meeting, pinag-uusapan namin yung area for improvement, chine-check namin everything, nire-reset namin yung program, and then mag-start kami sa pinakamaliit na goal.
So, I'm really curious for you to share with us today. Ano yung fitness philosophy mo? Kaya motto mo na mabibigay mo sa amin. Mababaon namin para kasi ready to go na kami.
Ito, palagi sinasabi sa client ko, the only bad workout is the workout that never happened. Yeah. First na dapat magaganda, listen to your body. So if you feel pain, so stop. You need to rest. Your muscle need to recover. So hindi mo kailangan mag-hardcore sa workout.
Okay, note to self. Actually, note to self. Kasi parang feel ko, I've been so hard on myself with workouts. Pero dapat pala, hindi. May nabasa pala akong article na your muscles actually build kapag during rest. Don't be too hard on yourselves. Curious lang ako for fitness enthusiasts, like, syempre fitness professionals like you. Do you feel na you have weaknesses or weak points or strong points sa fitness journey mo? Or do you still feel na you have more room for improvement? You know?
Even fitness professional, we have weakness. Same din with the client, which is cravings, foods. Yeah, yun ang number one. So, madalas na o-overconsume natin yung dapat na proper macros lang sa atin. So, to prevent that, nag-download ako ng apps para makalculate ko yung daily food intake ko para hindi ako lalagpas. And if ever naman meron ako mga cravings like sa sweet, sample, cookies, syempre, sobrang sarap nun talaga. Pero naka-prep meal ka. So, I try to customize yung cookies ko para maging low carb siya. Para pasok siya sa akin. Kahit naka-diet, nakakakain tayo ng cookies.
I remember Coach saying, fitness shouldn't be punishment, diba? Anyway, today guys, actually Coach Renee is going to show us a few exercises that we can do at home.
Yeah.
So let's
I'm
go
scared.
to that. Okay guys, today Coach Renee will show us a circuit style training, which Jen and I will attempt to demonstrate for you guys, going at it together, and let's go!
I'm scared.
Okay guys, this is a home-based type workout targeting your whole body. So first I will demo the jump squat, split squat. So here, you must position your knees in 90 degree and then try to do it alternately.
Patay!
Whoa!
Parang wait,
Do it with control.
Wait,
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, I think I got it. Okay.
Okay na ba?
Ilang reps to, Coach?
Okay, usually 15 reps, 3 sets of split squat. Okay, so you count it one leg alternate up to 15 reps. That's it. Okay, next. The next one is the floor press up. So for position, shoulder level lang ng ating kamay.
Dayan, kaya ba natin ito, Dayan?
Chest
Alam
up.
mo na.
Okay, isipin nyo lang, you're pushing yourself away from the floor. Okay? Chest out. Slowly. Back up. Nice. Do it slowly. 3, 2, 1. Back up. Nice. Go, come on. Do it, guys. 15 reps. 3 sets. Alright? Okay. Now,
Joke.
okay, the next one is squat. So, mga girls, we want to tone up our glutes. So, here's the exercise from that. Chest out, back out, lower. Then, back up. Squeeze your glutes. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, back up. Squeeze. Nice. 1, 2, 3, up. Good. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, up. Guys, do it 15 reps in 3 sets. Alright? Okay. The next exercise is the side plank with rotation. So from here, position natin siya guys. So ganito tayo. Wait lang. Let me process it.
Side plank with rotation.
Yes. So side plank, nandito tayo. And then we try to reach our scapula sa likod. And then, ganyan lang.
Wait, subukan natin, Jen! Nanood na lang kami kay Coach.
Wait.
kayong dalawa.
Ay, ito pa.
Pinagaling na tayo ni Coach.
Wait lang. Guys, bigyan niyo ako 5 reps.
Kala ko tapos na.
Okay.
Gumamay
Five reps. Ready? Ready? Up. Reach your back. Back up. Slowly. Squeeze your core. 1. Ano mo ba na, Chef? one is burpees. Okay, so maganda yung burpees kasi full body talaga yung tina-target niya. So, ang gagawin lang natin, jump, dikit sa floor, back up, and jump.
I've been doing burpees wrong my whole life.
Okay?
Pala yung sa
May modified
Actually,
version.
so nga pala coach, paano yung modified
Pag
version?
modify, hawak sa floor, jump, and step up. One. Ganun, okay? Pag nahihirapan kayo dun sa burpees, touch yung chest sa floor, okay? Ready?
Ano ba ito try natin, Dayan? Yung modified ba tayo?
Kayo sa advance!
Sa advance tayo. Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go, come on, up, dikit chest, okay, jump, one, go guys, for 5, up, control,
Dayan!
woo, woo, do this guys, 15 reps, 3 sets, last 2, come on, last one, alright, okay.
Wait, let me catch my breath.
So this exercise, nababurn na niya mga 300 to 500 calories with this set of exercises.
Guys, that's it for our workout session with Coach Renee. As you can see, sobrang you can see the sweat on Diane and I's faces. Thank you for that. 5 reps na ginawa namin, pero grabe guys.
Just take note of this workout and incorporate it to your everyday workout routine.
Whew, grabe. So Coach, last question na lang for our viewers. What advice would you give to our viewers, yung beginners, yung gustong i-start yung fitness journey nila? Like ako, we're considered beginners pa lang din naman. So what advice would you give us?
Okay guys, fitness is not a punishment. Okay? Keep it simple. Do not deprive yourself from eating your favorite food. Try to establish a good relationship with your food. And do not make it hard for you working out 7 times a day, feel sore every day. That's not nice. You need to rest and recover. So, for your fitness journey, make it simple and enjoy the process.
And before we forget, Coach Renee, paano ka nila ma-reach kung gusto nilang, bitin sila sa video na daw, they want to reach out to you,
They want to learn more,
to connect
Depending on your body type kasi, it depends, di ba? So,
with a professional coach, how will they reach you kaya?
You can reach me out at Renny on my Instagram account, Renny Andiel, and on my Facebook account, Renny Andiel.
guys,
Follow nila lang, guys.
follow and DM Coach Renee if you need any tips or more motivation sa inyong fitness journey. Yeah, Coach Renee is the coach for me. Coach Renee is the coach for you. So guys, that's it for today's episode in our fitness series here at Navigator Sports. Thank you again for joining us. I hope you like this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, hit that bell notification. Open your notifications, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We also have TikTok, guys. So catch Diane, me, and Gio do fun stuff on there. Also follow Diane and I.
We'll invite Coach Renee.
Yes. And guys, don't forget to follow us on our Instagrams as well. So it's all here in front of you. We're going to put all the links down in the description below. Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Navigator Sports. Bye!